In Engage, I can view the absence and holiday data in a calendar. It's also possible to download the calendar data in an ICS format, which is compatible with Microsoft Outlook, iCal, and Google Calendars, amongst others. To download the ICS file, you just need to choose the departments to include and click Apply on the left. You'll see an Export Calendar button appear at the top of the calendar. Click on Export to choose the date period you want to download or to subscribe to the calendar feed. The link will open a dialog so you can choose what calendar program you want to open it in. If you choose to download a period, the file will open in your default calendar program, or you can save it locally and import it using your calendar program's import data options.